Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Newberry County in central South Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lockhart to near Carlisle to near Rosehill State Park, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Newberry, Winnsboro, VC Summer Nuclear Station, Whitmire, Prosperity, Fairfield County Airport, Jenkinsville, Newberry College, Monticello, Newberry County Airport, Blair, Little Mountain, Pomoria, Peak, Lebanon Fire Station, US 176 and South Carolina, 34 Crossroads, Henderson Island, Ryan, White Oak, and NLE Ranger District Office. This includes Interstate 26 between mile marker 62 and 89. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Newberry. This is the NOAA weather